Have you ever heard someone say something untrue about a person, or seen a damaging statement published in writing, and wondered about the legal differences between those situations? It is often tricky to pinpoint the exact legal term for harm to reputation, but understanding the distinction is crucial. Slander and libel are both forms of defamation, which means making a false statement that harms someone's reputation. The primary difference is the medium. Slander is defamation that is spoken, while libel is defamation that is written or published in a more permanent form. The legal distinction between slander and libel primarily revolves around the permanence and dissemination of the defamatory statement. Libel, being written, is considered more lasting and potentially damaging because it can be widely circulated and preserved. This permanence often means courts view libel as more serious, leading to an easier path for plaintiffs to prove damages. Slander, on the other hand, is generally transient. Spoken words might be heard by fewer people and are harder to prove without direct evidence or witnesses. Therefore, proving actual harm, known as special damages, is often a higher bar for slander claims unless it falls into specific categories. To tell them apart, consider how the false statement was communicated. If it was spoken during a conversation, over the phone, or on a live radio or television broadcast, it is generally considered slander. However, if the statement appeared in a newspaper, magazine, book, email, social media post, website article, or pre-recorded broadcast, it falls under libel. The key is whether the communication is fixed in a tangible form. For instance, a false statement made in a podcast episode is libel because it is a recorded, published form, even though it is auditory. An important concept to grasp is defamation per Southeast, which applies to both slander and libel in certain severe cases. This means some statements are inherently so damaging that injury to reputation is presumed, eliminating the need for the plaintiff to prove specific monetary damages. Examples often include falsely accusing someone of committing a crime, having a loathsome disease, or being unfit for their profession. Understanding per Southeast categories can significantly impact the legal strategy and outcome of a defamation claim. Recognizing whether a defamatory statement is slander or libel provides a clearer roadmap for addressing reputational harm. This knowledge empowers you to understand the potential legal avenues available, whether you are protecting your own professional image or advising someone in the sports and entertainment industry. Being able to correctly identify the type of defamation is the first step towards safeguarding professional standing.